Alright, Flat Mechanic here, and I'm just doing a follow-up video on a video I did earlier on how to compress a rear e-brake caliper with no special tools. It started getting a lot of views, and there was some controversy on it about the dangers of damaging the caliper itself, which is a very true and real possibility. So I just wanted to elaborate on some precautions you need to take if you do have to use this method. If you don't have to use this method, you definitely should use the correct tool to do the job, which I will leave a link to in the video description below, along with a link to the video that I'm showing the clip of here that I'm referring to. But in this video, I'm just using pliers to screw this rear e-brake style caliper in to compress it, and there is a proper tool. If you do it this way, just be sure to use a little common sense for starters. If you do damage the piston, it's going to cause problems. If you do damage the boot, it's going to cause problems. So you can also use a pick to pull that rubber boot back out of the way more to make it less likely of any damage occurring. If you do score the tip of the piston a little bit, it's not really going to affect any functionality, so I don't think you have to be too concerned about that, because the actual seals inside the seals are inside of the caliper itself, and that part of the caliper doesn't protrude in there where it can really affect those seals at all. Now some calipers have ceramic pistons, others have steel pistons. This one's actually a steel piston, so it's much more durable. If you have one of the ceramic pistons, and you definitely want to be more cautious, or maybe not even attempt to do it this way. But basically this video was just intended to help somebody in a jam that has a car parked in the driveway. You can't get to the store, you don't have time to wait for the right tool, which I'm sure I would find handy if I ran into this kind of problem. But that's kind of what I surround my YouTube channel around, is just kind of trying to help people out of a jam, or give fast fixes to the most common problems, and just trying to save people's money. Definitely no intentions of giving bad advice, just trying to help people out a little bit. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm probably going to do much more videos like this anytime I find alternative ways, or easier ways, or faster ways, or ways to get people out of a jam. That's kind of what my whole YouTube channel is surrounded around. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the Flat Mechanic. Thanks for watching, guys.